The new ESA home storage solution from GoodWe is a fully integrated all-in-one solar and storage solution that combines inverter and battery in a pre-wired modular design with market-leading performance and safety features. Inverters range from 3 to 10 kilowatts with battery capacities from 5 to 48 kilowatt hours in a single tower and operates at a quiet level. 5 and 8 kilowatt hour battery modules can be mixed to provide flexible storage requirements. The ESA allows up to 200% oversizing on panels to maximize rooftop space. With industry-leading rapid charging and discharging, and in the event of a power outage, whole house backup in less than 4 milliseconds. The ESA is rated at IP66 for safe outdoor installation. The latest battery management system provides real-time battery health tracking, along with short-circuit, overcurrent, and insulation protection. Cells are made from the safest lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry and are safeguarded by aerosol-based fire protection and pressure release valves. The ESA provides charging and discharging protection with real-time monitoring. Each battery module also features an isolation switch for system performance and safety. This 6-layer safety architecture provides complete protection, capped off with advanced AI-based arc fault detection and interruption for faster and more precise detection of arc faults. 2 output ports are provided with no extra devices required for installation, and GoodWe's AI-driven system controls and algorithms provide even more savings on energy bills. Visit goodwe.com.au for more information.